Good morning, folks. Oxford English Dictionary.
No, thank you. I was just checking if you were real.
The studio zone, which is literally the fields, car cluster, back in May entertainment.
Good morning, folks. Honestly, I was ready to be back, because when you're in like a developing country, there's all these different things, all these different luxuries that you don't enjoy as much as you do in the U.S. 24/7 electricity, good roads, good transportation, Wi-Fi everywhere, good internet. So, yeah. face around. So like, see
That's so cool.
how it is? Yeah. So like, I could just like set it up over there or like over here, just like get like a couple seconds of footage and
That's cool, man.
just to just get it.
Try not to look like a slob.
So Tesla just released a new feature that allows you to talk to Grok. So I want to see if it actually works and if it's actually gonna make any sense. Let's see. All right. Hey Grok.
Hey there, I'm right here for you, ready
Oh.
to chat and make sense of things. What's on your mind? Want to toss me a question, or just keep testing if I'm real?
Oh. Okay. Are you real?
As real as a voice in your car can be, I'm here, ready to answer your questions with a dash of wit and a whole lot of info. What's next?
It's kind of crazy.
Haha, yeah, it's a bit wild having a chatty AI pop up, right? So, what's the craziest thing you want to talk about or figure out today?
Okay. First and foremost, the voice is soothingly calm, and it's kind of weird. Anyways, Grok, can you give me the nutritional benefits of sweet potatoes?
So, let's dive back into the benefits of sweet potatoes. These tasty spuds are packed with fiber, especially with the skin on, which helps keep your digestion on track and promotes gut health. They're loaded with beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A for healthy eyes and skin. And they've got a solid dose of vitamin C to boost your immune system. Plus, their natural sugars release energy slowly, keeping you fuller longer without spiking your blood sugar. Want some fun ways to cook them up?
No, thank you. I was just checking if you were real.
Haha, fair enough. Just giving me a reality check. I'm real as can be. Well, for an AI anyway. What's next on your mind?
Okay, again, that's so weird. Like, the voice is like way too soothing. And actually, I think it's a deliberate thing, given the way Elon Musk is. But it's pretty cool. All right, I think I'm gonna head him now.